Hey guys, it's Char here with Char's Nest, and today I'm going to show you how to make a recycled bottle bird feeder with macrame. You'll need a pair of scissors, some type of string, and I am using Chinese knotting cord, which I got off of Etsy, and I'll link that below. You'll also need a soda bottle bird feeder. This bird feeder attachment will work with any screw top lid, such as a 2-liter bottle. You will also need a metal ring. This is about a 2-inch ring, and you can get this at any craft store. We will be using this around the neck of our bottle to secure our string to. And the last item you'll need is a recycled glass bottle. And as you can see, the bottle I'm using has a screw top lid. The first step is going to be cutting our string. You will need 4 pieces that are arm's length. Once you have those cut, you're going to go ahead and fold them in half to create little loops. And then one at a time, we're going to attach them to the bottle. Be sure to add a little knot for added security. Now that you have all 4 pieces of string attached like so, we're going to go ahead and start the macrame. What you're going to do is take 2 pieces of string from different knots, and about 2 inches down, you'll tie a double knot. So there's one knot, and then here's the second, and go ahead and pull it tight. Make sure that the distance is equal on either side. Go ahead and repeat this process all the way around the bottle. Now we have our first set of knots finished. What we're going to do is repeat this process 3 more times. Now that we have reached the end of our bottle, we're going to go ahead and tie a knot in the center. Okay, now we have the macrame done and we have our knot, and that's going to secure everything together. And the last step is to add another knot so we can hang it. Finished product, the recycled bottle bird feeder. All that's left to do is fill it with birdseed and watch the birds enjoy.